Hi guys, it's Gretchen, Possum Fun and Frugal. So I just had a quick, sudden inspiration. So I thought I'd jump on here and get a little video of what I came up with. So I had this little problem with my washing machine. It got out of balance a little too much one day and it popped a part off, not a really important part, but it's been bugging me. I was trying to think of a way to fix it without spending money. I'm using something I have at home already. So let me show you what I came up with. This is going to be a little weird and quirky, but it's free. So I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you what I came up with. So the piece that goes here, that you put your bleach, it's a bleach thing, and I don't often use this. I use a bleach alternative, so I don't really have to like filter it through. My laundry, sorry, there's dirty laundry in there. It got way too out of balance. So there's my washing machine. And these scissors I was going to use, but I don't think they're going to be able to cut what I want to cut. So I was trying to think. So then I had the piece and I put it in there on this shelf, but I forgot there's a gap over here and it fell all the way down. There's no way to get that out ever until I move out or something and move the washer. But that washer's tucked in there as tight as can be. So it's not easy to move. It's not worth trying to fish that plastic. It's just a little plastic tray that fits in here. And somehow it must have popped it out. So my idea was I had this strainer for the bathtub. Well, the problem is this strainer, the holes are too small. So when I put that in there, every little particle of anything, it doesn't let the water flow. So I don't like it. So I have another one I'm going to put in the tub. But the other day I was messing around with this and I stuck it in there. And look, it covers that spot. So I was sitting here, I won't tell you. I was sitting here doing some other personal business, and I had an epiphany of what I could do. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this so that it fits here and here and here, and then I'm going to glue it in here so it stays. That way if I do want to put something through there, I have something to put it through. And just in case, I don't know, I don't want anything else to fall in there. Well, you know, things sometimes fall. It's just a creative little idea. So I thought I'd let you see what I'm doing. So now that it's cut, it fits right in there. I just have to put some glue and glue it down. So I have to clean it up and glue it down. Okay, so I'm just putting a little glue right along the edge. And now I'm gonna, I stuck my finger on the glue. Okay, Now I cleaned off my finger. I should really be using gloves for this, but I'm just going to push it down on here, and we now have a new cover for the washer thing, whatever you call this. The dispenser hole. The dispenser thing. And once that dries, it'll stay on there. So that's a quick and easy little fix for zero money, because I already had all the materials that I needed, and that was a quick and easy fix. I hope you got some ideas or just got entertained by my weird ideas of fixing things and enjoyed the video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Like and comment, even if you want to say something silly, as long as it's kind. And subscribe. And if you already subscribed, thank you.